Hi guys, this is Teacher from MS Hot Tips, Microsoft Hot Tips, and today I'm going to show you an Excel tip. I'm going to show you how to create customized sort for your lists. So this feature is relevant when you have information you want to sort by a specific order that is not necessarily an alphabetical order. So let's see how it goes. So here you have a table. That table has revenue information by age group. And as you can see, the information is summarized in the pivot table right here. The only problem, I would like to create a pivot chart based on that pivot table, but my issue is that the information here is not actually sorted by a logical order of the succeeding age groups. So you can see that you have under 18 followed by the 65 and above, which is not what I want to do. Of course, I could move the lines like that, but this is not the most smart. It's not the smartest way to do that. What I'm proposing here is to use the customize list option in Excel, and we're going to create it just right now. So let's go to the sort and filter menu here, and what you want to do is to sort by age group. And so you go to the order, but instead of picking one of the ascending or descending alphabetical orders, you're going to go to custom list, and you're going to create a new list. As you can see, there are existing lists, but we don't want to pick any of these, so we're going to use our own, we're going to enter our own order for the age groups. And the last one, sorry, is 65 or above. Once this is done, we can validate the list. We do add, OK, and we go back to our table. So as you can see, that table has been resorted based on the age group. But what we want to achieve, we want to sort that data by a succeeding age group, so that we can generate consistent pivot chart. So what you will do here, you just use the drop-down menu and you click sort A to Z, and automatically here the age group now have a consistent order, and you're able to generate whatever pivot chart you want to create. Here we can just create a pivot chart that shows how the sales of that specific item go across the different age groups. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.